Hello again, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to show you how to make Upma, which is a classic breakfast dish from India. Let's go downstairs and get started.
The first step, anytime when I cook, is to prepare my mise en place. What that means is I do all my prep ahead of time and make sure I have all the ingredients I need before I start cooking. That way there's no surprises, and it actually makes cooking much more efficient and a lot faster. For the semolina flour, you can use cream of wheat. Just make sure it's well toasted. I use coconut oil to replicate the flavors from Kerala, a southern Indian state, but you can use ghee as well. Add back the toasted semolina flour and cook for about a minute, mixing well. Although this is the traditional way to make upma, what I will often do is add in 2 scrambled eggs at the very end.
You can find this recipe on my blog, chefonaboat.wordpress.com. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.